get it later. Hello, and welcome back to Just 3. And today, y'all, we're at I got you. Today we're here at the International Car Show. Let's check out these new vehicles of the 2020 models.
Passing out some of these cars for our new video.
So y'all, we're headed in the inside now. So check y'all out when we get on the inside.
And this is exactly where the Nutcracker was.
So y'all, we are here and we gotta go a different route. We gotta go. Now we're getting on the elevator. Get ready to head upstairs.
I'm not about to record
No.
you. I'm recording myself.
Y'all know that every video that be messed up, that be Dion recording because she don't hold the camera right.
I do. I was falling. I was falling.
She always falling then.
No, I was like dribbling like that.
Well, she always falling.
No, I'm not.
Every time the camera's showing the floor, it's
The boy
Dion.
who's ready to see some cars. Wait, did we go up?
Okay, this way.
Guys,
We're actually at the Candy Center. This is what we came to see. The
Nutcracker. My cash out in the cards. Yeah, fine. There's nothing up here, Mom.
See, look what you're showing. Your chest. Look, I don't watch your chest.
I'm sorry. No, where are we going?
Look, show them some of that good view out there.
Okay.
Show them a good view of Memphis.
Okay. Guys, here's a pretty view of the bridge. The bridge over water.
And then you go
How do you zoom in, Mama? Mama, how do you zoom
you want to see
in?
it again after them.
Okay.
Pay attention with your video on.
Okay.
The floor, look at the floor.
Okay, guys, we're going to these windows over here.
We're being escorted to the show by, what's her name here? Miss Angela is giving us an escort to the show. See, Dion? Look.
Here's a better view of the bridge. Okay, now we have to run again. I'm from Memphis. I was born. I got it.
Just hold it up. Quit trying to video the floor then. Did you get the bridge?
Yeah, there's another bridge of the view. I don't know how to zoom in, Mama.
I know, right?
Just show me real quick so I can when I zoom in and stuff.
Munch gonna push.
Okay, let's push.
Okay, y'all, let me give y'all a better shot of the bridge because I don't know what Dion recording. As you can see, there's the Memphis Bridge right there.
Over water.
As you can see it.
Over
But like I said, we head on to the show. We got Miss Angela escorting us and we don't want to keep her waiting. No, I got
Mama,
it.
I won't do
No,
this.
we don't want to watch the flow the whole
No, I
video.
will do this.
Y'all see what I'm saying? So don't be mad if the video look like amateur because Dion be
No,
wanting
Mama, hold it
to look
up
at
like
everything
this.
else and then video the floor. She want to show y'all the floors.
No, I'm gonna hold it up like this. I will, I promise.
Please come in the box if y'all think when Dion recording the video suck.
No, I will hold it up.
Now you showing them the ceiling. They don't want to see the ceiling.
Okay, guys. So we're walking to the car convention. I ready to see like 2020 cars. Mama, are you ready to see 2020 cars?
Get the sign.
This one?
Right there. Stay where you going. Not so close. Nah, get here. Oh, what was that? That's nice.
Whoa.
Yeah, we gotta buy the tickets. What's that, Nuke? Aston Martin. And y'all, Nuke is a car expert. He knows every car. Man, they got some nice cars, y'all. Well, I'm headed to the ticket booth. I'm gonna come back to these cars and let Nuki tell y'all what's the name of them because I don't know. Alright, y'all, while Nuki get his wristband on, I'm gonna come over here and show y'all these cars. But I don't know what kind of car it is unless I see the sign on them. Because I don't know nothing about no cars. So, we got what's Nuki. I think this is McLaren. No, is it? McLaren, I don't know. Y'all know more than I do.
What car is this? What car is this? Nuki, what car is this?
Okay, I
got
was
it
right. I was right.
You said Claren. I said McLaren.
I said the same thing.
No, you said Claren.
And this is a Lamborghini. Get off the rope, Dion. Excuse me. And of course, we have a Porsche. Now this,
it has a little polo sign.
that's a Porsche sign.
No, it's a polo sign. Polo.
Okay, Dion, whatever.
Let's go in.
We are on your brother. This is what caught my eye as soon as we came, was this right here. And Nuki said this is an Aston Martin. It's so nice. It's matte black. It's so
What
pretty.
you mean you gotta wait on my brother? Look at him. Look at what he's doing.
Okay, let him do what he's doing. Dion, calm down. Sit down somewhere now.
Oh, the learn.
You better get yourself together. Which side we going on first? Or this side or the other side? Which side we going on first?
This side.
Let's go then. Go over here. Excuse me. Alright, y'all, heading in. As you can see, they got the sign Interstate 40. Interstate 40 got all kind of cars. Let's see what we got over here on this side. These are the vehicles that's on this side. Interstate 40. Alright, come on, look. What's what?
Yuki and Dion.
Man, it's a camera. Make me miss my camera.
Let's go here.
Let me see this Toyota Camry. I know I miss my camera. I need to give me a new one. The who?
Let's go see the truck.
Which one? Ooh, that right there. It got like like the salmon. What is that thing called? It got like the aqua thing. The aqua color. Is that the Camry? Yep, it's hybrid. What's that? What's that new?
That's the Toyota.
It's a sports car. Man, it's nice.
That's
Locked.
the regular Camry.
Prototype vehicle is locked. You can read it? Huh? This a new one. I ain't never seen this. What's this? The CHR? That ain't new, is it?
We got like a screen in it.
Is this a new? This ain't a new car.
Yes, it is. Look, let me show them.
This
Let me
the
show them what's
You just
inside.
get in there. I show them.
I'm trying to get them a closer look. Let me give them a closer.
Let's go. I ain't got time. What's this over here?
I'm trying to get them a closer look. You want to get the thing?
Hey, you don't know how to hold the camera right there.
Yes, I do.
Look.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you a closer look of what's inside the car. Okay, so we have like a, I think this is like a touch screen, the new black leather wheel, and that's AC, the not armrest. This is the armrest. Does it open? No. And then the cup holder, that little thing you pull on, and then that's pretty much it in the back seat. That's pretty much it.
Camera. That's like the one they had last year.
Yep, that's the one back in the
What's in the trunk? Look, they got these exactly like yours.
Mm-hmm. So y'all, this is the new Camry. I'm really thinking about getting me a new Camry. I say that now until I get over here and see the new BMW, but
No, it's red velvet.
it's red leather. Look at the inside of this
Let me show
thing.
them.
It's so nice.
And then another one like last time. I think this is a touch screen.
It's nice.
And then you got the AC.
And they got a moonroof, not just a regular sunroof. That's nice.
Wait, oh.
And the camera has a moonroof on it. It's so nice.
Let's see your trunk. It's a bigger room that I can fit in. Look. I'm gonna get in it.
What you gonna get in the trunk for? They're gonna close you up in there and forget you in here. Come out of there.
it's so many go back.
Y'all look at Dion.
Oh, let's go see the van.
This the Avalon.
Let's go see the new van.
Hold on. Oh, the Avalon nice too. Look at the inside.
Oh, you can see the dangly prices.
New Avalon. Look real
Slow.
luxury now.
And look, guys, this is what it's like a phone. Like an iPhone, you got phone, music, maps, message,
Touchscreen.
and playlist. Okay, it's not on right now. Then it has these color in back seat, of course.
Alright, y'all. Y'all looking at this new Toyota Sienna make me want to be a soccer mom. I like this van. It's good for traveling. They got the new reclined seats in it. Even the back seat recliner. Let's see Dion how it go. The big one right there at the bottom. Got to pull it up. Keep doing it. Man, now that's fresh. That's comfortable for traveling. Let's see what else they got, y'all.
Seats go back.
Look at this one over here. They go over here with a seat out on outside of the van. Come on.
That's for Nuki.
Come on, let's check that out.
Have these large trailer mirrors. These will be standard
That's
on all
exactly for
vehicles now.
Nuki.
Hey, can I give you one of our cars? Check us out on YouTube. Oh man, look at this. I think this van is made especially for Nuki. Look at that Nuki.
You need to take you right back in. Cool, let's go see on the other side.
God.
Oh,
Man, I like this. I'm finna trade the truck for real now.
this one just cool.
Nah, see, that's why I'm talking about how you just pull it one time and it go like that. Man, I'm finna trade my truck in, Nuki.
No.
It just do that on one side or do it on every side, you know?
Every side.
I think it's just on that one side.
I think so.
No, that one fold up. You don't like that? It pick you up, put you in there. All you gotta do is transfer yourself and you in the car.
By yourself.
How much is running?
Ma, look, Ma, look on the TV. Ma, look on the TV.
31,000. That ain't bad.
Ma, look on the TV.
Y'all, this new 2020 Toyota Sienna van is
It's on 30
everything, especially if you have a disability. So all my fans and drivers that have a disability or use a wheelchair, this is great. For 31,000, I think there's a sweet deal where you have the chair that comes out where you can just transfer into it. I'm gonna have to get some more information on this. I wonder how they do it. Is it a button you gotta push or what? Does it come with a remote control? But the chair swivels out, so the person that's in the wheelchair will be able to transfer into it. That's sweet. Nuka, you don't like that? Nuka don't like it, y'all. It ain't cool enough. Alright, y'all, we're gonna check out some of the Chevrolet vehicles. Check out Chevrolet, like the Camaros and Trailblazers and all that good stuff. Dion over here fascinated y'all with this new, this little pink car. My bag, fuchsia, because that's what it is. No, this car made for Dion. She can drive this car at the age of 8. I'm gonna buy my baby a car. What's it? The 2020, what's that? The Spark. A little small with a lot of awesome.
Oh my, I can reach it.
This ain't what? Where? Oh, the gray one.
I can reach it.
Look, y'all, Dion can fit. And the seat ain't even move. You can let the seat out here. Pull this up. Scoot up. You gotta hold the handle up. There you go.
Oh my. I'm about to get caught in.
How the seat go up? As full as it go
I'm
up.
about to get me a car.
Sorry.
God, I'm about to get me a car. I'm fully seated.
Look, I know it's big enough. Look, her little feet all the way up to the gas and everything. She gonna be dropping Nuke off at school.
Me too.
Oh, you see, you were making the brakes come on. And hit the brake.
So you got
Close the door there. I'm gonna see if it's for you. Dion gonna be driving middle school. I want to see you. You got to be able to look over the steering wheel. Yeah, I think Dion ready to drive. She done been and drove straight through the house. Pull in the garage, Dion. Come on, little girl.
Get out the car. Get out the car, Duke. You gotta go. Oh, like, yeah, I gotta pick you up.
You really look like a little woman in that car with that lip gloss on. Come on, that car, girl. Come on, we finna go over here and see the new Dodge Challenger. Come on.
Man, I can't believe I can reach this my car now.
All right, y'all. We're gonna go check out the new Challenger. Look at that Ram over there. That thing looks sexy.
Mom.
I gotta get my focus right. Huh?
Mom, look, I got real disability. It's my car. Like, you gonna be in the back seat? My mom gonna be in the front.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you a monkey ride.
Wait, let me see.
Come on, we're going to see the
I
Challenger.
just want to see this. See if I can.
Look at that Trailblazer. They made the Trailblazer look so nice. Trailblazer used to be an ugly truck. The Blazer is so nice now. God, that thing is so nice. I don't know if it's just the lighting hitting it just right or what. Huh?
They
Mom,
got a
I can just.
Hellcat
Mom, I was just reaching that pedal in that car.
Oh. The Hellcat with this right here?
Yep, they got it. Hellcat car.
The Hellcat what?
Said they got
Oh, you said they got a Hellcat finally.
Let's go see this truck, John.
Hold on, we gotta see this in this Camaro. I'm sorry, this Challenger.
Somebody in there already.
Here, Dion. Dion. You can look at it.
What you want me to do with these?
I thought
You ain't getting none out. You said what, nigga? What's wrong with it?
I finally get it.
You wanna get in there? So nigga wanna check out the new Challenger, the Hellcat. It's nice. I guess it's all about what's on the engine, because they all look the same to me. I don't know the difference.
What's this?
Dion, come on back here. So this is just a regular Charger, right, nigga?
Ain't got that taxi.
What is it? Ain't no Hemet or nothing like that? I'm sure it is. But no, it's not. Is it? Hold on, Dion. It's so nice. Check out the inside. Man, it's so nice. I guess with the lights on, I don't know if that stuff light up. It's like a basic model though. Let's see, check out Dion out here in the new 2020 Jeep Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee.
I can reach the pedal, but I can't see them.
Yeah, it's too big.
You got touchscreen.
The seats go up, but you can't love it. And it got a moon roof. I think that's the nicest thing about a new vehicle. I like the moon roof.
You close it? How?
And the moon roof. Look at the console, y'all. It's nice. I think everything, all the new vehicles today, most of them got touchscreen in them. Well, I think all of them got touchscreen.
But look at that Jeep over there. You got a little thing with the.
Like a pickup truck. Come on. Do it. This one right here. What? You want to look in there? Man, y'all, I don't think we're going to be able to show y'all all the vehicles today. There's so many in here.
One car?
You get everybody a car. Everybody you see them, just get on one. We're going to check out the new 2020 Tahoe. It looks pretty much the same. What's different? What's different? Look, it looks the same. Let me see, maybe they can change the lights on it. The tail lights still the same. I thought they had like the Cadillac lights on it, but it don't. It still look the same. Maybe it's something they changed on the engine or on the inside, huh?
I wish I could see.
The console look pretty much the same. I don't think they changed nothing. Yeah, I don't think they changed nothing. Yeah, so here go a Nuki graduation present. He gonna get the whatever year he graduate, he gonna get this exact one, 2020. No newer model now. Check out the inside. So nice. Look at the console.
It's blue over there.
You got the blue lights in there. You got the blue light trim. It's trimmed in the doors.
Blue right here.
This is nice. And again, this is the convertible. So nice. I love this color.
Let's go to what I was talking about.
So we're finna drive down the road to the next spot. You can start your engine. And they're off. Don't run over nobody. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Dion is not ready to drive, y'all. She all across the lines. You supposed to stay in your lane. Ooh, what's that? The 300? No, it's a Kia. Kia has came a long way. Kia has came a long way. That's a nice car. That's luxury right there. And that's exactly what it is. A Kia luxury. That is nice. Dion and Nuki still driving on the line. Y'all ain't ready to get no car or no driver license. All on the wrong side of the road. They can't even maintain their lane. Look. A pet interview? Yeah, I'm probably service dog. I lost Dion and Nuki. They done ducked off somewhere. Over here by the Subaru. What is it called? Subaru? What does it say? Say it right. Mitsubishi over here. I used to have a Mitsubishi a long time ago. I had a Mitsubishi Galant. I don't even know if they make the Galant anymore. And this is the Mitsubishi, the Outlander. Like I said, I used to have the Galant. I don't even know if they even make the Galant anymore. It's the new car smell, damn. Look at that. Look at that paint. Can y'all see that?
Where? Oh, it's marble paint.
It's like shimmery. It's pretty. I like
ASMR,
these
y'all.
seats. They're like
Everybody be quiet.
suede.
ASMR.
Alright, y'all. We're going to stop this video because, well, we're not going to end it, but I'm going to pause it for a second.
I'm hungry.
So, y'all, we're going to check out the new Mustang, the 2020 Mustangs. This look like, if I'm not mistaken, a Cobra. Sound. And they got a GT over here. It's nice. Yeah, it's cold.
I don't know yet.
It is nice.
didn't get
Huh? I don't know. I was too busy trying to record the car. Huh?
You want to take a picture?
Excuse me. Man, that looks so nice. I'm not even a Mustang fan, but I like this.
No, I thought it was legal.
Get away from me, Dion. Ah, that is so nice. It looks vicious. How you doing? Is this anything like the Shelby? Oh, it is. Look at it. Look. And that's what it is. Look. That thing is nice.
Oh, boy.
I know, ain't that nice? Here, check us out on YouTube, sir. And this is the GT right here. GT is nice. It's nice decor, but it's nice. Hey, how y'all doing? Check us out on YouTube. Thank you. And they got a couple classic cars over here. What's this thing? It says, is that an Impala? I don't know what that is. I think it's an Impala if I'm not mistaken. What is that? No, it's not. What is it? I can't even see it. What the say, Dion? Don't hang on the thing, Dion.
Super smart. That's the best.
And of course, this right here is a classic Camaro. Yeah.
Finally, something to eat.
All right, y'all. We're going to the other side. Check out the other vehicles.
Hey, how you doing?
Over here. Yeah, just be careful who you get to. Don't look friendly, don't do it. Over here are the more electric cars, the Audis. That's the Porsche truck.
This one like.
Man, look at this Audi. I think I want me a new Audi.
I thought that was looking.
They got the Porsche, the BMWs. That's what I want, a BMW. That's my retirement car, BMW.
Mine's more quieter. I'm gonna pick the first one.
I want to go see. Over here, y'all, we have the Lexus. One of the cars that we were looking for was the Infiniti. They didn't have Infiniti here this year. Neither did we see Nissan or Infiniti this year.
I want to see
The Mini Coupe. You see the little one.
people in the car.
Okay, they ain't gonna stay in. They gonna get out eventually. You gotta wait till they get out. This is the new Roadshow BMW Mini Coupe.
Shotgun. Go, Mom.
And this is the 2020 Mini Coupe. It's nice. I would say I wanted a little small car, a little compact car.
Okay,